Ever found yourself pondering over the intricacies of how an urban and rural fusion home comes into existence? Well, the answer to that question lies in the mastery of Fukulisain Construction, a company dedicated to turning your dream home into a reality. Welcome on this journey through the process of creating a unique fusion of urban and rural architectural aesthetics. A house that not only serves as a haven, but also as a testament to your singular taste and personality. A home built by Fukulisain Construction. The process begins with a blank canvas, a vacant plot of land. The first step is understanding the needs, preferences, and budget of the client. Fukulisain Construction takes pride in their commitment to customer satisfaction, ensuring that every home they build is a perfect reflection of the client's vision. Following this, the design phase commences. This is where the magic happens. The team of experienced architects and designers at Fukulisain Construction amalgamates urban chic with rustic charm to create a unique design that is both modern and timeless. Once the design is finalized, the construction process begins. Fukulisain Construction utilizes the best materials and cutting-edge techniques to ensure that every square foot of the home is built to perfection. From laying the foundation to installing the roof, every step of the process is executed with precision and care. The craftsmanship of Fukulisain Construction ensures that the home is not only beautiful, but also sturdy and durable. As the construction concludes, the final result is a fusion home that seamlessly blends urban sophistication with rural simplicity. A home that is as unique as its owner. The satisfaction and feedback from clients serve as a testament to the quality and excellence of Fukulisain Construction. The joy of moving into a home that is tailored to their needs and preferences is a feeling that is unparalleled. Building an urban and rural fusion home with Fukulisain Construction is more than just a construction project. It is a journey towards creating a space that is truly your own. A space where you can build memories and a future. So, if you've enjoyed this journey through the process of building an urban and rural fusion home, show some love. Click that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to share this video. Because who knows, you might just inspire someone to embark on their own journey towards building their dream home with Fukulisain Construction. Remember, a home is not just a structure. It is a reflection of who you are. And with Fukulisain Construction, you can ensure that your home is a true reflection of your unique style and personality. So, why wait? Start your journey today.